So hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you about how to fix this unknown error on your disk 1 or any disk. So let's get started. What you have to do is just right click on start menu and click on device manager, then click on disk drives, and if you're getting a yellow warning mark on your drives, that means it's a critical error, so you have to find a solution to fix this. Once you do that, then what you have to do is right click on the drive which is faulty and then click on update drivers. Once you do this, it will search for drivers, and then you have to click on search online for drivers. After that, just open command prompt as administrator. Then what you have to do is type this command chkdsk. D represents the drive which is faulty and which is creating the problem, so you have to replace it with your drives letter. After you do that, type semicolon and then give space and then /r, then space again and then /f. Once you do that, this will verify your disk drive, and once it completes, you have to restart your PC and your problem hopefully is solved. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.